One of the most important techniques to master is hovering. Use all of the basic controls learned in the previous lesson to try and keep the model in a stable position, height and orientation. Start with a tail-in hover and progress through sideways hovering and finally nose-in hovering. Only use small movements on the transmitter to avoid overcorrecting and losing your position. As you can see, maintaining a steady hover involves using all the controls all of the time. A model helicopter is inherently unstable and will not fly without constant pilot input. As such, it represents a tremendous challenge from the outset. Hovering in all orientations must be learned before progressing.